Nobody gonna tell us no. I don't want no bad vibes. I just wanna have a good time. Party up until late night. Nobody gonna tell us no. I don't want no bad vibes. I just wanna have a good time. Party up until late night. Nobody gonna tell us no.
Welcome guys, we saying welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Name's for Grace. Get to know here. Get to know. And if you're not new to my channel, your girl is back. We're in a video for you guys today. As you guys can see, my motherfucking title, your girl is back and better with another hair review for you guys today. Yes sir. Can't lie, I was loving a little bit of the hair that I did for my birthday. That color was bomb, complimenting my skin. But yes sir guys, I'm coming with something different today. Well, it's not really different, but let's just see, you know what I'm trying to say. I feel like I've had straight body waves, so I feel like it's cute to go into curly hair. So I don't want this video to be long. I'm not going to show you guys what comes in the box and this, that, because most of my hair reviews you guys have seen on my channel shows everything. If you guys want to know what was in the box and all of that from scratch, all the other videos have got it. But today's video, I want to keep it short and snappy. Just want to show you guys me installing the hair. Quick information, like I said, obviously opening the box now. It should come like this. Opening the box. Here's got the stuff inside. Got the hair inside this. Ooh, yes sir. Yes, we've got another hair bonnet. You know, they get listen collection, yes sir. They come with the headbands. This is cute. Return and refund. I'm trying to keep this as quick as possible. Return and refund policy leaflet. We've got lashes and you've got wig cap. Like I said, it's another one wig cap. It's also 2 wig caps. And then we got some beautiful cute lashes. Yes sir. So yeah, that's what comes inside the pink bag, which has basically all the stuff that they give you in this bag. Straight into the hair. I'm gonna tell you the information about the hair and I'm gonna install the hair. The hair is from Tinashe hair, like I said. Tinashe hair. So information about this hair is 20 inches. Yes sir, you know how we do around these ends. Yes sir. It's a 5x5 lace front wig. It is 150 density. The style was deep wave 20 inches, 5x5 lace front wig, 150 density. And yes sir, I'm thinking to go for like a laid back look. I don't know, or middle parting, I'm not sure. But yes, that's okay. The hair just want to be playing ping pong. But anyway, let's just get straight into this hair review, guys. I'm actually so excited. This is so weird because I actually miss my hair so much. I miss that color because it made me it made me feel like a bad bitch. I'll be so real. That would be my signature look. I can't lie, that definitely my signature look. And this thing's trying to play my nails. I'm really liking the texture of curls, you know. Yeah, the texture's cute. Wait. Doesn't really come with a smell, so if you guys are ever thinking, oh, is it coming with a smell? It doesn't come with a smell. Don't know why, in the packet it looks a bit more longer, but it is still long because it's 20 inches. But obviously the more tighter the curls are, then yeah, the shorter it's gonna be. If you guys can see inside this, take off. How it comes, just like this, 20 inches, yes sir. So it doesn't have anything, so I thought, oh my gosh, it's 5x5. It's really 5x5. Yo guys, you know your girl is really, I thought it was a frontal. Oh my gosh. Okay, cool. I'm still gonna rock it. Ain't nobody gonna tell me shit. Alright, cool. Let's just get this installed ASAP. So let's come with the edges redone. I'm just trying to think because it's got, okay, I think it'll be fine. But anyway guys, let's just get straight into this video. I'm going to speed up the process, so you guys are just going to watch me install the hair on myself. Some bits maybe I might not be including or whatever. Cutting it is a bit long, so I'm probably not going to include that. If you want to see how I cut my frontals when I'm cutting the lace, check out all my other videos. It's got all of that involved. But yeah, this one I'm just going to keep it short and snappy and just show you guys how I'm going to install this hair. So as you guys can see, it's 5x5. Now this is what they mean by 5x5. It's literally basically a closure type of unit. So it's literally just that. So there's no frontal on this side. This is literally how it is. Clips like that. So this is how it's going to be. So I'm kind of scared. I might make it middle parting only because I've just found out what it is. But I'm just going to see. But yeah, I'm going to be looking this way. My mirror's this way. But I'll be turning back here so you guys can see. But yeah, let's just get straight. Before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys. Make sure you press that red button. Join the family, join the gang, you know, the things said or whatever. Join the gang, join the family. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and send this video to somebody you think this hair could benefit, or somebody you think wants this type of hair. But yes sir, let's just get straight into this video, guys. So guys, I'm literally just waiting for it to just settle in, you know. Can't lie, I'm loving this cute look of it just being laid back. I don't think I'm gonna do middle part in. I could, but I'm just not feeling it. Now, one day I will reveal to you guys my favorite edge control, but I ain't gonna reveal that shit yet. It's too early, too damn early. But we're getting ready to do the edges. Very simple. This is very, very, very simple for my edges to start, so I can start doing my edges. By the way, this is a jumpsuit that I did a try on haul, guys, in, and I wore it the wrong way around. Obviously, you know, it's styled to, okay, yeah, let's not do that. You know, we're keeping it cute and classy, you know what I'm trying to say, but you know, PG. Yeah, so I must have wore it the other way around. So I don't know, I was in a rush. I was taking so long to like realize, until after I was editing, I was like, is that not the other way around? Because I was gonna insert a picture of what the girl looked like, and I was just like, hell to the nah, let me not do that. So I done that. So yeah, this is how the jumpsuit looks like. I don't know if I can stand it. Show you guys what it looks like. This is how the jumpsuit's supposed to look like. Yeah, that's how the jumpsuit's supposed to look like, guys. It's the right way around. The link for this outfit, if you guys want to get it, it'll be down below. Alright, cool. Guys, I'm actually very shocked. Oh yes sir, I'm actually quite shocked because this is my first time that I've done 5x5. I've never really been a fan of 5x5. This is so weird. It looks like I've got a fringe, but yeah, I've never done 5x5. I've never been a fan of 5x5. I have, but I feel like I've never installed them before, so this is my first time, so I'm gonna see how I feel about it. But it is, the only reason why I say it's good because it protects the other bit of your hair, so I feel like it is better if it's like this, or like if it's middle parting. I probably want to try and die, or if it's just back. But I think it's cute. It is. I think I'm probably just leave it back. Can't lie, I'm loving this back hair type of look, so I'm probably just gonna leave it like this. I mean, it is carefree. I feel like it's the benefits. Let me do this while I'm telling you guys. Let me talk to you guys while I'm doing edges. But I think it's a good protective hairstyle, only because it's not, I mean, it's still a frontal, but it's not making your, how do I explain this to you guys? I'm trying to figure out what baby hair shall I do. Shall I do like 1 and then 2 and then 3? Try to do that. But yeah, as I was saying to you guys, it's probably trying to, it's got to cut down. But yeah, it's a protective hairstyle, only because obviously it's like you're not really breaking your hair too much, because what's it called? Yeah, you're not breaking your hair too much because it's protecting your hair. It's not too much of a frontal, so it's not like the whole way around your whole head. Depending where you lose hair, but I mean, 5x5 is better than a whole frontal, I guess. But frontal's a frontal at the end of the day. But yeah, I do see this hair as a cute hairstyle to do. You know, don't need to worry about using too much glue in your head and stuff like that. Finishing touch, after I do that, I do like to go in with my Got To Be, and I put it on top with this just so it can hold it in place and it stays like that. Cut on my edges to move. Then I'm gonna do this the last time just to set it in place as I fix the hair. This is what I hate, guys. Throughout the whole process, yeah, it just starts to get messy. The hair just starts to get messy. So guys, it's been a time. Done all my clean up, done everything I need to do. Now we're going to reveal it. Actually, I'm gonna spray water, spray a little bit, take my hand out, just to define the curls. So I'm just gonna spray my hands, and just to define the curls, just to make it a bit more, you know what I'm trying to say, a bit more shiny and whatever, you know what I'm trying to say. Because I feel like me doing the hair just made it move a bit fuzzy and stuff. It's by Mousse. Mousse I definitely recommend for the hair, especially this type of hair. Curly hair, deep wave hair, all of that. Mousse is the one still. Or sometimes just putting water in is fine, but Mousse holds it, does really well. But yeah, I'm only doing this because this does have product. I think it has conditioner and water in it, because of one of my other wigs are just making mad ridiculous. So yeah, I'm just literally putting this in for now, but I don't want to put too much. I don't want to ruin the hair because just literally patterned it. So Yes, sir. I'm already thinking it's cute and whatever. Alright, cool. Let's just really reveal it. Reveal it. You guys ready? This is cute. This is actually cute. Sir. I'm trying to keep behind because this is the look that I was trying to go for, just like a cute behind look, or even if it was behind me. You're putting a ponytail. This is the only thing about when you put in a ponytail, but I think it's okay because the frontal's there. But I really like this. I find it really cute. Put the hair in front if you want to. Middle parting, yes, this, that, this, that, this, that. But yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. I literally just want to show you guys how I installed a 5x5. Like, I never thought I'd actually be able to do this. Just that if my clean, okay, when I do my cleaners, it'll be a bit more flatter. But with this type of hair, cleaners doesn't really matter too tough. It's definitely straight hair, because it's like the hair won't be dead straight if you've not made the cleaners flat, if you get what I mean. But with curly hair, sometimes you want volume, want it to be big, whatever. As long as they're not too big and makes your head look big, then yeah. But yeah, guys, it's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to show you guys how I installed this hair. As I said, it's deep wave 5x5 frontal, not even frontal, 5x5 lace front unit, deep wave hair, 20 inches if I'm correct. Like, all this information for this hair is going to be down below, so if you guys want to purchase this hair, make sure you guys purchase it. You know what I'm trying to say? Tell me how it is for you guys, if you like the hair, how long it takes to arrive for you guys, and whatever, all that information, all that good stuff. But if you guys want to purchase this outfit, down below. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and anything, so whatever. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Let me tell you something. I'm your Bonnie and my Clyde. We can take a flight to Miami.